1,550,000,000. It will make me feel amazing. Same reason growing my hair out to 1.73 meters will make me feel like a god. My therapist asked me the same stupid questions. Mind your own business, dude. So, can I help you? Without considering you're the reason everyone's parents have been missing all summer, I'd keep questions like that on the down low. I mean, you fainted in terror as Ren was kidnapped, so the grown-ups went to Black Fork Asylum to try and find her. They haven't been back since. It's all right, buddy. Just be careful asking stupid questions. I, for one, am about to head out to look for my dad because of you. After I finish counting, of course.
Okay. But jump over to you. I like the voice acting. Some kind of gemstone padlock. I need something like that. Just described in mirror. Trying to figure out the folly for that sound. It doesn't sound like a finger snap. It's more like a